If you clicked on this video hoping to claim SoFi's referral banking bonus in order to make a free $25 today, I got good news for you because in today's exclusive video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. On top of that, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to turn SoFi's referral system into a passive money-making machine where you could be making up to $3 grand a month just by referring people to SoFi. So if that sounds interesting, you guys should definitely stick till the end of this video. Something else that should be interesting is the value on this channel, because on the Xavier channel, I'm literally dedicated to teaching you how to get anything for free. So if you want to be saving literally hundreds of dollars a month, I would recommend hitting that subscribe button, as well as hitting like and maybe considering enabling post notifications. But as always, guys, genuinely, thank you so much for watching, and we're just going to get right into it. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do, provided you haven't already signed up for SoFi, is going to go ahead and hit on this more section right here. And you're going to want to go ahead and click on the first link in the description right here, which is going to be for my SoFi sign up code. So if you want to go ahead and not only support your bank account, but also support the channel, go ahead and hit that sign up button, because this is what's going to enable you to get a free $25 from SoFi. So after you guys go ahead and sign up for SoFi, you're going to be going ahead and getting a screen very similar to this. Now, as you can see right here, you probably will not have the $25 in your account. For me, I have $10 just because they asked me to stick it in, so I just stuck it in for them. But if you guys do actually want to get that completely free $10 for the sign up bonus, what you're going to want to do is that you're going to want to add at least $100 to the account. Because if we hit this button right here, and if we scroll all the way bottom here, you can see right here, friends must be new to SoFi and fund a minimum of $100 within 14 days. So this means that in order for you guys to go ahead and get a free $25 and go ahead and support the channel, you will have to put in at least $100 into your SoFi account. You can just use anything to put this money in. You can use PayPal, you can use Cash App. It does not matter what you go ahead and put that money in through, but what matters is that you do put at least $100 into your SoFi account, and then that's what's going to enable you to make the free $25. Now, if we go back, as you guys can see right here, you can get up to $75 when you go ahead and refer a friend for SoFi. Now, there's a lot of different things that you could do. You can go ahead and hit this share link, and there's probably a lot of different people that you can go ahead and reach out to and actually ask them to go ahead and sign up for SoFi for you. So you could send emails to your friends, you could send text messages to your friends and family, and you can get them to sign up for SoFi and say, hey, if you want to get a free $25 from this bank, all you got to do is just go ahead and sign up with this link here. And if you only do one of these a day, you will make a free $75, which means that it's very possible for you to be making up to $2 to $3 grand a month, provided you only get 1 or 2 signups a day, which should be super easy if you have a good number of friends. Now, something that you guys can go ahead and do if you want a very easy way of getting a bunch of free signups is going ahead and signing up for a Facebook group. As you can see, there is a ton of Facebook groups where you can go ahead and stick in your referral code. And I guarantee you there's a bunch of people that are looking to do the same thing as you, which is go ahead and get a bunch of free referral offers. So all you guys got to do is just sign up for one of these pages here and then just stick in your referral code, and then the amount of people should just start rolling in. But something that you could also do is go ahead and create YouTube videos just like this guy here, where all he needs to do is just make a video about the SoFi money referral bonus, and then just go ahead and stick it in the description, as you can see right here. And then all he'll have to do is just go ahead and make this video, which, since this video isn't a minute long, it probably didn't take him no more than an hour, maybe half an hour to make. And because of that, he was super easily able to just passively get a bunch of people, because he tells them, hey, here's how you get the SoFi referral bonus. And in doing so, they automatically go in and sign up, because they'll be like, oh yeah, I want the SoFi referral bonus. And a lot of the times, people who look up this kind of thing are usually looking it up in YouTube search. So if I look up how to get SoFi referral bonus, as you can see, there is a ton of videos that you can go ahead and make that you could easily be able to actually just stick in your referral code into any one of these videos, where if you just went ahead and made these videos yourself, you could very easily just start making some instant, almost passive income just from these instant bonuses. This guy, True Financials, is doing it really well, but there's a ton of different people, as you can see right here, that are going ahead and cashing out super hard. And if you guys don't take opportunity of this right now, because we are in the golden age of making money online, then honestly, I don't really know what to say else to you, because you should be taking advantage of this as soon as possible. Which, if you want to know how I created one of those videos and how I made over $15,000 from one video, make sure to check out the video link in the description down below. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, click on this one right here. And as always, I genuinely do hope that you have a good day.